Am I the only one that didn't know pagers could be turned into bombs? This is a jaw-dropping story. Lebanese officials have accused Israel's spy agency Mossad of planting explosives in thousands of pagers used by Hezbollah. These modified devices led to 9 deaths and nearly 3,000 injuries, marking a severe security breach. The pagers, allegedly imported from a Taiwanese company named Gold Apollo, were reportedly tampered with to include hidden explosives. However, Gold Apollo denies manufacturing the specific models in question, suggesting another firm licensed to use their brand might be involved. This incident has significantly raised tensions between Israel and Hezbollah, especially in the wake of the recent conflict in Gaza. Hezbollah has vowed retaliation, further escalating the already volatile situation. The revelation underscores the ongoing struggle for intelligence and security in the region. Now, Hezbollah faces internal scrutiny over this alarming security lapse. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.